So it's now time to start getting the lighting done in that room. And I don't know if you remember this light. We found this light literally, so early on in this journey at the chateau, when we were clearing out some of the barns, and we found several lights, and this was one of them. And I remember saying back then, we have got to put this up somewhere in the chateau. So this is going to go in as you enter the room on the right hand side, and I'm just not sure how we're going to fix it. I know that it's got to go up there because it will look amazing. However, all we've got here is this metal sort of iron piece that's coming out of it. So I don't know how it's going to go on the wall. It's not like it's got a wall fixture. This was obviously hooked into something when it used to be a flame candle holder. Either a candle holder, or I think it was probably had a wick in it at some stage. But I've got to change the electrics on it. I've just cleaned it up, and I haven't cleaned it up too great because I don't want it to look new, obviously. So I've just scrubbed off with some wire wool some of the rust on it, and given it a bit of a polish up. I just think it's amazing. I love this light. So we've got to find something to hook this onto. So I need to go and talk to Ted and see what he can think up. Maybe he can make something out of wood, or maybe we have a piece of ironwork somewhere that we can hook this on the wall with. But yeah, it's cleaned up. I just need to figure out how to change the wiring on it, and then we can get it on the wall, which will be great. Let's take it and see.
Oh, this actually fits. Pretty fun, that's not the right one. Right, so this one here doesn't look very much at the moment because it comes apart in two bits. This is the light fitting that I still seem to remember was the one that Melody very, very kindly bought us. Melody Gary, one of our patrons, thank you so much. It is perfect for this room.
Yeah. Okay.
I think where do we want it?
Yeah, looks good from here.
Hey, got Blackpool illuminations in here now.
Yeah. From no light to
party.
let there be light.
Finish it all up with a loose shell.
Actually, looking at this, maybe there's a bit more wax in it.
You got it on the wall. Oh wow, it looks amazing.
You present a problem, darling.
How did you do
We
it?
find a solution. Well, I've got the lovely Carson to thank for this, because if you see where you were talking about the bracket, and that's obviously the bit to finish. This is off an old door lock, and he said, "What about that? Can you use that? Would it fit in there?" Yes, it does. But obviously, we could have bolted that straight to the wall, but you're never really sure what's behind there because it's creepy. So I made a little piece of oak, you know, a piece there, cleaned it all up, secured that on there, and there you go. And we've even managed to route out the back of this to all the fixings for the light, so you've only got the one cable. Would you like to turn it on, my love?
I'd love to. Are we ready?
Are we ready?